In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Brave browser. If you spend a lot of time online, the right theme can make a big difference, improving readability, reducing eye strain, and matching your device's look and feel. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each option does. First, open your Brave browser. Make sure you're looking at a normal window, not a private one, so all the settings are available. Up in the top right corner, find the three-line menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger menu. It's small, so take a second to hover until you see it. Click that to open Brave's main menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where Brave keeps all your browser preferences and will go directly to the visual options. If your window opens in a new tab, that's normal. Just stay in this Settings tab for the next steps. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Appearance. This section controls how the browser looks, from toolbar behavior to colors and themes. Click Appearance to open those options. Inside Appearance, find the theme setting. This is the part that affects the overall color scheme of Brave's interface, things like your tabs, the toolbar, and menus. Click Theme to see the choices available to you. You'll typically see options like light and dark, along with choices that can follow your device's color settings. Now pick the look you want. Light gives you a bright, clean interface that works well in well-lit rooms and during the day. Dark reduces glare and is easier on the eyes at night or in dim environments. If you prefer your browser to match your computer automatically, choose the option that follows your device or system colors. That way, when your operating system switches between light and dark, Brave will switch right along with it. You may also see options that use your device's accent color, which can help everything feel consistent across apps. As you make a selection, Brave updates instantly, so you can preview the result right away. If it doesn't feel quite right, simply click a different option. There's no need to restart the browser. A quick tip: if your theme doesn't change, check that you're in the Appearance section and not another settings area. Also, make sure you're not in a special high contrast mode at the system level that could override colors. Once you're happy with the look, you're all set. That's it. Your Brave browser now matches your style and environment. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed browsing experience.